to show you how I make my overnight oats, which are delicious and they are amazing and they are healthy. So I'm going to show you step by step what I do, how I prepare them, where I buy my foods from, the whole nine. I'm gonna explain it, walk you through it, and show you, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with some mason jars. I got a pack of 12 of these from Aldi for about $7 or $8. So you have a mason jar, and you wanna take some old-fashioned, you want rolled oats. These aren't that expensive, and it lasts, for me and my husband, this lasts about 2 weeks, for two and a half weeks. So you take a half a cup of oats. I put it in this measuring cup just so it's easier to pour. And you just pour that into your mason jar, as so. Then you want to take some almond milk. I like vanilla. You can do sweetened or unsweetened. It's completely up to you. And you also do a half a cup of almond milk as well. And you just pour that in. Then you want to take chia seeds. Chia seeds are great for digestion and just overall health. You could put these in your smoothies. I like to put them in my overnight oats. Should probably only do a half of a tablespoon, but I do a full tablespoon just because I need that extra digestion help in my life. And then you want to just stir that up. And it looks super watery now, obviously, but it's the point of them being overnight oats. Once you put these in the refrigerator overnight, it will solidify and become a little more of a thicker consistency. Then I take almond butter. I like this brand. Don't ask me how to pronounce it, but I get this from my local grocery store. This is actually $15, but I got it on sale for $5, and I got a couple of them. And any almond butter is fine, as long as it's, you know, just strictly almond butter and there's no extra added ingredients. And I take a tablespoon of that, and I put that in as well. Then I go in with some raw honey as a natural sweetener, and make sure when you're shopping for your raw honey that it is made in the area that you live in. So you want it to come from a farm that is in your area, so you are benefiting from it the right way. And you do like a teaspoon of honey, or however much you like. I don't do that much. Boom. And if you like it really sweet, if you want, you can add some strawberry jam or preserves, whatever is up to you. It's completely your choice. And then once you have everything, you just stir it all together. And I preferably like my overnight oats a little warm. So I will pop this in the microwave for a minute in the morning, and then I also take some fresh strawberries and I will put them on top. After I microwave them. I don't microwave the strawberries. I add my food chopper broke, so sliced almonds are better, but I mean any almonds, you just add a couple in there to mix in. And then you seal it, and then you refrigerate it. And it looks like that now. A little watery. I refrigerate it overnight. I make 10 of these for the week because it's me and my husband. And then in the mornings, this is one that's already done. It's a little thicker and it looks like that. And it's really good. Just so you can see like the consistency. It's like that. And then you just add a couple of fresh strawberries and it looks just like that. And this is delicious and very good to eat. I eat this every morning during the week and this is great. So there you have it. This is the final result. So you get this and it turns into this. And it is so good, especially when you warm it up for a minute in the mornings. So this is very inexpensive and easy. You don't have to worry about waking up super early to cook breakfast and all the other, you know, difficulties in the morning that you don't want to go through. So this is a great substitute. It's healthy, it's easy, it's quick, and you're out the door. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think of the recipe. And if you tried it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel so you can just continue to be a fan and support us and see the amazing videos that we have for you guys, which also comes with hitting that notification bell so you know when we upload our videos every week. We have some new and great content for you guys this year and I look forward to making new videos. I hope you guys enjoy and I will see you all next time.